Happy birthday, Tito Edgar! Kamusta po dyan? We wish you all the best that life can hold. Ingat lagi and always be healthy and happy.
Happy birthday! Ingat po lagi.
See you soon. Happy birthday. Bye!
Hello, Kuya Gado. Happy birthday. Always we can attend your birthday. And enjoy your day. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Regards to Ate Donna. Hope to see you again.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Hope to see you. At sana umabot kami ng edad mo. Malakas pa, naglalakad-lakad lagi. We miss you.
Yeah. Hope to see you again.
Yeah, and Ate Laura.
Ate Ami,
Ami.
and all of your relatives in the future. Hope to see you all. May makulit na doggy.
Yeah. Kulit tong dog namin. Okay.
Enjoy. Good
Enjoy
health
your
for
day.
you.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Oh my God.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ed. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Thank you for all that you done to Boji. We will be forever grateful for all your assistance and for all your help. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Ed. Thank you for everything that you have done for my dad.
Tito Edgar, happy birthday. I hope you celebrate this day with joyous memories. Thank you for what you've done for my dad. Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Kuya.
Wow, 75 years old.
Bata pa yan.
Bawal na ang matigas ang ulo. Kailangan makikinig kay Ate Donna, kay Maricel, kay Archie, kay Justin, lalong-lalo na kay Alexa, the big boss. Okay? Enjoy lang ang buhay.
Okay, Kuya.
We love
Mag-enjoy
you.
ka lang. Enjoy.
We
We love you.
Okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy
again.
birthday again.
Okay. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kuya Edgar. Happy 75th birthday. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Just enjoy your day. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya.
We love you.
Love you,
Wishing
Kuya.
more birthday to celebrate. Hopefully, we can celebrate it with you maybe
Next
next year. Bye. Enjoy.
Bye.
Love you.
Hey Tito Edgar, I just want to say happy birthday and I love you and I miss you and thank you for everything you've done over the years and thank you for letting me keep my first pet chicken at your house. Yeah. I love you lots. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Kuya Edgar.
Edgar. Love you.
We love you.
Love
May
you,
more.
Edgar. Okay,
And
happy
many more.
birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Edgar.
75 ka na!
75.
Wala bang lechon? Padala mo ako lechon, okay? Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
Love you, Edgar.
Love you. Take care.
Bye.
Hi, Uncle Edgar. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish we were there.
Birthday, Kuya Edgar. You finally reached your milestone. You've reached an age wherein you can say, respect the elders. So, wishing you the best of everything, good health, good life, and wishing you the best. Love you.
Edgar, happy birthday. Have a great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
That's a great way to do it. Kuya, happy birthday. Kamusta ka dyan? Kahit mga bata, si Ate Donna. Kamusta kayong lahat?
Hey, Kuya Edgar. Happy 75th birthday. Wow, that's a milestone. You've officially reached the age where your stories about the good old days. I bet it's longer than the episode of Netflix. But honestly, I'm sure they are more entertaining to listen to. Kuya Edgar, wishing you all the best from across the bay where the fog rolls in. But your wisdom rolls on. Okay? I wish I was there to attend your party. We haven't seen each other for a while. Hope to see you soon though. But may the Lord continue to bless you, gives you happiness and joy and good health. But less technology updates, so you don't have to figure it out that much. Anyway, enjoy the food, enjoy the cake, all that you can handle. Again, enjoy your party. Wish I was there. Okay? Cheers to the 75 years of great and awesomeness. Be blessed and love you, cuz. Alrighty. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Edgar. We wish you a very happy birthday.
Stay healthy and take care. Aki gong pinona egot tiko.
Happy birthday, Lola Edgar. See you. Goodbye.
Hello, Tito Edgar.
Hello, Lolo Edgar.
We wish you a
happy
75th birthday. Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hi, Tito Edgar. It's me, Elaine. How are you? I do hope you still remember me, but I am greeting you from the other side of the world, and I just wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. 75 remarkable years. That is amazing. I wish you more birthdays. I wish you all the joy and love in this world, and have fun, enjoy your day, and hi and regards to everybody.
Hi, Tita Edgar. I'm wishing you a happy 75th birthday.
Kuya Edgar, happy birthday. How old are you? It's been a while, we haven't seen each other. Hopefully one of these days we can see you. Okay? Enjoy and have a beautiful birthday. You have more birthdays to come.
Hi, Tito. Happy 75th birthday po. Tito Ed, I will never get tired of telling you this, that I am very thankful for you and for Tita, for making all my dreams come true. May God bless you not only for today, but for the rest of your lives. Again, happy birthday Tito. From the Lunatics.
Hello, Kuya Edgar! Happy birthday! Happy 75th birthday, Kuya Edgar!
75 ka na pala, anak? Kasi tanda mo si Cora.
Paborito mo ba yan?
Oo!
Oh my
Tandaan
God!
mo, you are my very favorite
Godson.
godson.
Kalimutan mo pa.
Kaisa-isa mo akong
Inaanak.
ninang.
Nag-iisa ka lang ba?
Oo, ako ninang mo sa compel, sa kapagmahal sa akin ang ina mo't ama mo.
Anak ng ina naman.
Inano ko, yung... Ano yun, yung...
Ano, bilisan mo.
Pinakyaw ako. Ako ninang mo sa binyag. Ako ninang mo sa kumpel. To be honest with you.
O, dahil ninang ka, magpadala ka sa kanya.
Hindi siya magpadala sa akin. Natandaan mo, si Father.
I love you, Kuya Edgar.
Si Father ng dinalupihan. Yun ang katuwang ko. Doon sa iyo.
Hindi ko natatandaan niya, wala pa ako nun.
Wala na siguro siya, anak. Ano ang kuwang ko?
Ano gusto
already
mo?
90.
90?
Pero malakas pa ako.
Alive and kicking. Magsayaw ka nga, ma. Pakita mo, Kuya. Ba? Kita mo, 90 years old.
90 na ako. Ami! 90 na ako. Anak, ikaw pa rin.
Happy birthday, Kuya Edgar! We love you. We wish you long
natatandaan
life.
Palagi kayo sa amin ni Tito Fred sa Marpi.
Marpy, you are a Marpy, family of Marpy. Kahit na mayaman ang Tita Edmo sa akin kayo, sa amin ni Tito Fred, sa
Kahit
Marpy.
mahirap ka, no?
Oo, kami palagi ang inyong hinahanap. Yung kayong magkakapatid, 7 kayo, 7.
Okay.
Tatandaan mo anak, I love you so much mga anak. Happy birthday, Gado.
Gado.
Happy birthday, Gado.
Okay.
Tandaan mo, Sito, nung pinanganak ko, bago ka umuwi, tumaya ka muna sa karera.
Nanalo
Hindi ako
siya.
uminom ng gamot. 310 pinanalo mo, dumating ka, nagalit ang ninong mo, nakarating na, wala ka pa.
Wala na sumalangit to ang daddy ko. Happy birthday, Kuya Gado!
Mahal na mahal kita.
Sana happy ka. We wish
Happy
you
ka.
long life. Happy birthday! 75th birthday.
Sana pag umuwi ka, punta ka dito naman.
Yeah.
Oo, punta ka naman.
Okay! Love you!
all.
Enjoy your day! Love you!